Namaskaram and welcome to Krishna's collection. We are back after a very long period of time, but yes, we are back with a very beautiful collection. And first of all, I would like to thank all my viewers, all my fellow friends, subscribers, all my beautiful ladies and divas for believing in Krishna's and for believing in saris which we try to give to my beautiful friends and family. Uh, with your support, we are here again today, and we were busy in exhibitions, in walk-in customers and many personal commitments as well. But yes, I would not assure, but would definitely say that we'll try to make few more videos, our personal videos of Krishnas. We'll try to shoot more videos of Krishnas and would like to show you all a beautiful collection. Okay, so today I'm here with a very beautiful collection of uh, the first video which I'm showcasing of this year of 2026 with very nice this is a Bhagalpuri raw silk saris. These saris are, this texture of saris are famous for their tussar and the rough raw silk texture of the fabric of the sari. The sari itself has a beautiful shine and glaze on it. You can have a I hope the sari is visible in the video. A very beautiful and stunning sari. I have got the three pieces in this particular collection. So let's quickly start with the colors. The first color which I'm wearing is a very beautiful nice pink color, and the contrast blouse piece is of pallu is of dark mustard yellow, golden yellow also you can say, and the blouse is similar to the I'm wearing my personal blouse. You can stitch the blouse which is given in this. The blouse color is dark golden yellow or mustard yellow with nice tussar shadings on it. This tussar and raw silk fabric has its own shading or a nice shine and glaze on it. This saris are party wear as well as office wear. This saris have its own elegance and own beauty which can be worn anywhere in any functions. Okay, the price of the sari is going to be 1600 free shipping throughout India. Yes, it's at very reasonable price, as we always tell our customers that we directly get the stock from our weavers, or we try to procure it directly from the market where it is being made, so that the costing of the saris is to my customers will be reduced. Okay, so quickly I'll show you two beautiful colors in this particular catalog. This is a nice mehendi green color, dark mehendi green color with beautiful gap border, retapat border of dark pink color. Just have a beautiful look. See, this is going to be, I will show you the closer look of the sari. See the closer look of the sari. The sari has a beautiful zari weaving on it. This is all zari checks weaving done on this sari with beautiful gap borders, big borders, but the big borders are in fashion nowadays. Very beautiful sari, a very beautiful look. Sari has one side of the sari has a small sleek border, and the other side has a beautiful gap border. Show you the entire look of the sari. This is going to be the look of the sari. A very beautiful sari, a very premium fabric. See, this is going to be the look of the sari. Okay, this is the pallu of the sari. Dark, sorry, it's pink color. Okay, and the blouse piece is going to be pink color. The border consists, nice elephant bootas at the gap border. A very rich border. Gap border बोलते हैं, बेंटेक्स border बोलते हैं, रेटापेट border बोलते हैं, and very nice rudraksham bootas and weaving all over the sari. The entire sari has this weaving, and this is no foil print, no. See, you can see the back processing of the sari. This is going to be the back process. So it's a weaving and completely interlock, no thread pulls here and there. Okay, but this is a raw silk, tussar silk. Raw silk fabric is rough in texture. It's not smooth or finishing silky finish जैसे अपना पैठनीज और कांजीवरम्स में होता है, वैसे नहीं होता. इसका एक अलग चार्म है, एक अलग ब्यूटी है. Okay, so this is going to be the beautiful nice Mehndi green color. The price of the saree is going to be 1,600. Free shipping throughout the India. The next color in this particular catalog, a beautiful dark blue color, royal blue color, with again same border, that is pink border with pink blouse piece and pink uh, pallu. Okay, so these are two colors which I have in the same design, and the one which I am wearing is a nice pink with mustard blouse piece and mustard pallu. So if you like any of the sarees from this video, you can just take a screenshot of that saree and you can send it to our number, the WhatsApp number, that is 932118387. And yes, I would again like to request the people who are watching my video can subscribe us on YouTube and as well as on Instagram. That is, the name of our channel is Krishna's Collection. You can share to your friends who like to drape sarees and who love to drape sarees. Okay, with this stay tuned with Krishna's Collection. Namaskaram.